welcome to Marcia's Cooking. Today's recipe is my go-to recipe for quick and delicious and creamy fish packed with umami flavor. A quick and easy recipe doesn't have to be tasteless and boring, right? Today's recipe is exactly what I'm talking about. How easy and quick recipe can awaken your dull palate and pleasantly surprise everyone on your dinner table. Today, I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful creamy fish pasta in less than 20 minutes. Are you ready? This is a very quick dish to prepare, so you need to have all the ingredients prepared ready to go. I am using balsa fillet, but any white and not oily fish will be perfect for this recipe. It's best to have all the aromatics ingredients in small slices and chops to maximize the flavor. Particularly, it takes only 10 to 15 minutes to cook this dish. What do you say? Sensation when you eat chilies mostly comes from the membrane that chili seeds are attached to rather than the seeds themselves. So, if you have a low tolerance of spicy taste, remove all these white bits and the seeds as well. And what do you do to soothe this burning sensation from chilies? We all instinctively reach out to water, however, it really does much help. But instead, grab some milk or yogurt. It's because a protein in milk products called casein interferes with the binding of these foreign capsaicin molecules onto our tongue. So you would feel less of this burning and biting taste from chili. If you are lactose intolerant and still want creamy fish, a coconut cream can be a substitute. Make sure to simmer over low heat, not to boil. This prevents cream from curdling. While fish is being cooked, let's cook pasta. I made this green fresh pasta today. Aren't they gorgeous? Check out my other video if you want to know how to make this beautiful natural green and red pasta. enjoyed the recipe? If you did, feel free to leave a comment and hit the like button below. And check out other yummy delicious recipes. Hit the button there, down here, somewhere on the screen. And be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out any yummy delicious recipes. And if you like healthy, easy, delicious recipe ideas. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.